Are you curious about the stock market, but feel overwhelmed by terms like the Dow Jones? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the Dow Jones is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important tools in the financial world. If you're ready to level up your market knowledge, let's dive in. Hi everyone, and welcome back to SmartCoin Chronicles, your go-to channel for simplifying the complex world of finance. Today, we're exploring the Dow Jones Industrial Average, often called the heartbeat of the stock market. Whether you're new to investing or just want to understand this powerful market indicator better, we'll break it all down in simple, easy to follow steps. So, let's get started with the basics. What exactly is the Dow Jones? What is the Dow Jones? The Dow Jones Industrial Average, or DJIA, was created in 1896 by Charles Dow and Edward Jones. It started with just 12 companies and is now made up of 30 blue-chip companies from various industries. Think of the Dow as a thermometer for the US stock market. It measures how the biggest, most influential companies are performing. But how does it work? The Dow isn't just an average. It's calculated based on the stock prices of its 30 companies, using a specific formula that adjusts for stock splits and other factors. Components of the Dow Jones. The Dow represents 30 major companies across industries like technology, healthcare, and finance. Think Apple, Coca-Cola, and Goldman Sachs, giants in their fields. These companies are chosen carefully and weighted based on their stock price, which means higher priced stocks have a bigger influence on the Dow's movements. Why does this matter? The Dow gives us a snapshot of market sentiment, helping investors gauge how the overall market is performing. Understanding the Dow Jones. To make sense of the Dow, pay attention to key numbers. Opening value, the index's value when the market opens. Closing value, the final number when the market closes. High, low values, the range the Dow moves within a day. How is the Dow different from other indices like the S&P 500? While the S&P measures 500 companies, the Dow focuses on a smaller group but still captures the essence of the market's movements. As an investor, you can use the Dow as a tool for decision-making. For example, if the Dow is trending upward, it might signal a strong economy and potential investment opportunities. Dow Jones for beginners. Investing basics. If you're considering investing in the Dow, remember one golden rule: diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Here are a few ways to invest in the Dow. ETFs, like the SPDR Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, which tracks the index. Mutual funds, actively managed funds that include Dow stocks. Individual stocks. Pick your favorites from the Dow's 30 companies. A quick tip: always do your research and consult a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Investing is about balancing risk and reward. Let's recap. The Dow Jones is a key indicator of the stock market's performance, made up of 30 blue-chip companies. It's a powerful tool for understanding market trends and making informed investment decisions. And there are many ways to invest in the Dow while maintaining a diversified portfolio. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to SmartCoin Chronicles, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest financial insights. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite company from the Dow Jones? Or, do you have questions about investing? Drop them below, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and keep growing your coin.